Fetch AI continues to see a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above our key area of support above the $1.162, and at the time of this recording we're also attempting to see a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And on today's video I will be discussing the breakdown target areas for this breakdown move that we are seeing at the moment, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect that Fetch AI will give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for registration is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number for registration. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of the Elliot structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and we picked in these Elliot count 1. Then we saw a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and finally picked in these Elliot count 5, giving us a high above the $1.742 to the upside. And after we completed this 5-wave structure over here, we completed an even larger Elliot count 1. And after we picked in that larger Elliot count 1, I was expecting to see a bit of a short-term corrective structure in an Elliot count 2, which is the move that I believe is playing out at the moment. And its minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to the highs above the $1.74, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 1.344 and the $0.922, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And you can all see that we have continued to see a breakdown move into this target area, and because of the corrective structure in that Elliot count 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where you can see that we have now seen the formation of a wave A, a bounce in a wave B, and now I'm expecting this wave C to fully maximize our target area, give us a low for the second wave, before we can finally start another aggressive bounce to the upside in a larger Elliot count 3 to the upside. And our low will be confirmed the moment we start to see a bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure over here. The moment we get a 5-wave structure to the upside, then that will be enough confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave. In my previous videos, I have also been saying to you that within this area over here, I will consider to DCA into Fetch AI, expecting that impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot count 3, and that is what I am doing, and that is not financial advice. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside that peaked above the 3.479, giving us the high for this Elliot count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot count 1, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the bear market lows to the highs above the 3.479, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And I've been saying to you that for this Elliot structure to be valid, we also need to continue holding above the fib level 0.88 that lies above the $0.615. As long as quant is holding above that key area on the Fibonacci, there is a very high chance that in the next coming months or maybe weeks, we are going to see an aggressive bounce to the upside in a wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x in this bull market. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.